So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video is an absolutely crazy story. This is crazy. I honestly can't believe all this stuff is going on right now, but if you haven't been following the news, basically what happened is a Uber driver in Tulsa, Oklahoma was accused of murdering one of his passengers. And the Saudi Arabia government wants to basically post bail. Well, there's a big update. That's basically what's been going on. There's a big update, which I'm gonna get into today and go over exactly what happened. Obviously, this is not a, you know, happy topic. This is not one of those videos on how to make more money and be a better rideshare driver. Use my link for a great sign-on bonus. This isn't one of those videos, unfortunately, but these types of videos, guys, are super important, and I haven't seen the, you know, major news companies covering this, so I honestly think they're kind of being hush-hush about it. So if you could just give the video a big thumbs up so YouTube pushes this out to a wider audience so more people can see this, because I honestly don't really think that this is right, because the Saudi Arabian, I guess technically, government is stepping into the United States. I don't know. I mean, I don't know the whole law behind that, but you know, we're gonna break it down and show. I want to ask you guys, you know, you watch this, does this seem correct to you? Do you ever get that weird feeling in your stomach and you're like, this just doesn't sit right with me? That's how I feel. So we're gonna talk about that today. Unfortunately, there's just some bad people out there who ruin it for everyone. That's why I want to just tell you guys, when you're driving a rideshare, an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, or if you're a passenger, you know, I can just sit back, like I can basically touch my whole back seat. There's not that much room in between us. Something can happen at any time. Bring pepper spray. Go buy pepper spray. I don't know how much it costs. It can't be more than $100. $100 could save your life. Get a taser, you know? It's more important than ever. There's literally people having a water balloon fight right in front of me. That's funny. People are so happy, you know? You're just running around having a little water balloon fight. And in Oklahoma, there's an Uber driver murdering his passenger. It's so sad. It's so sad how much of a flipped reality there is in life. But yeah, we're gonna break down the story, guys. If you're an Uber driver or Lyft driver watching this, and I want to tell you guys about Cover. Cover is a new company that's giving drivers $100. You will get a $100 payment if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you get sick. So if you're out driving right now, basically they really want drivers to stay home. So if you're out driving and you get sick and you want to stay home, you know, basically all it says on their website, if you don't feel well, they will let you borrow $100, sometimes $300 from your future self, so you can pay back that money through their platform. And also they have paid time off. So if you ever can't work because of an emergency, they will replace your income. 80% of your income will go to you, and you don't need to pay that money back. All these services can be yours if you just simply click on the link down below and sign up. You'll get 30 days for free to test it out, and you could honestly get money into your account. Just saying. So now I just want to tell you guys, because not a lot of drivers know about that. But anyways, guys, so here we go. I'm going to click on this and get into the story. There is a huge update, guys. Saudi Arabia offers to post bail for Tulsa murder suspect. So this is the Uber driver. This was a huge case yesterday. This man, he was in jail. He's in jail right now because he is accused of murdering his passenger, right? So a Tulsa County judge on Wednesday reinstated a $500,000 bond for a man accused of first-degree murder on allegations that he ran over his Uber passenger during an altercation in June. So he got in a fight with his passenger and he ran the passenger over. But a prosecutor said, this is why I don't like confrontation. I don't ever get into confrontation. I've actually had a, one time I had a passenger in my back seat and he was a homeless man. I was taking him to the homeless shelter. I think my town gives free rides to low-income people. I don't know how whatever. He had a phone, you know, and the guy was talking to me, yelling at me, telling me how I'm gonna die, how, oh, all of us we're gonna die, we're all gonna die soon, you know, this life is miserable. And he wouldn't get out of my car, and I'm just sitting there smiling. Yeah, man, yeah, you know, I'm just trying to pay my car payment. It's 9 p.m. or I think my car was paid off by then, but I was trying to, you know, make a few extra bucks, and I got this homeless dude in my back seat. He can't get out of my car. What was I really thinking? I was thinking, get the F out of my car. Would I say that to him? No, because I don't want something bad to happen. I don't like altercations. I try to be as nice as possible. Literally, I ended the ride and I'm go, okay, we're done. 10-15 minutes go by. He's still in my back seat talking to me about God knows what. And I keep getting new Lyft requests and I have to keep denying them. I'm like, hey man, I gotta keep working, but yeah, it was nice talking to you. He wouldn't get out of my car. So I was just trying to be nice. But anyways, so he has a $500,000 bond against him. A prosecutor said Thursday that Omar Imran Ba-Abad's defense indicated that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in which Ba-Abad is a dual citizen along with the United States, is providing the funds for his release. So my question is, the reason why I don't, you know, reason why I feel weird about this is because why is Saudi Arabia, like, is this an important person? Why is he, or maybe he has connections in Saudi Arabia? Why is the country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, providing the funds for him to get out of jail? As a result, the Tulsa County District Attorney's Office filed a motion Thursday seeking the revocation. So they basically wanted to revoke his bond, the Tulsa County, that's in Oklahoma, based on the belief that he could flee to Saudi Arabia and avoid prosecution in connection with the June 26th death of Jeremy Shadrick. So yeah, basically, I mean, it's accused of murder, but I mean, he did die. So I don't know. I mean, defense attorney Thomas Adler said that there are no restrictions under Oklahoma's law with regard to who can post a person's bail. I don't really get how bails work. Like, if you're accused of murder, how can somebody just post bail and you get out of jail? Like, bro, that guy literally could have murdered somebody. I mean, he's in jail for a reason. Like, how can that guy just be posted bail and then he's just out on the streets again? I don't get that. To make a blanket assertion that because a foreign government is involved, there's a high risk of flight, I think is tenuous at best. Frankly, it's a case we believe he's completely innocent of and is happy to fight. So I don't think we have anything to run from. So oh, that's the defense attorney talking. They think he's completely innocent? Adler maintained that Saudi Arabia has a vested interest in ensuring that Abad appears in court. And he called it admirable that the country is choosing to support its citizen. But so basically they think it's a wrongful accusation. I don't know, maybe the guy was fighting him. I don't really know the case. Maybe it was a defense. I don't know. Maybe I could see the passenger, maybe he was trying to attack him and he was, I don't know, on the roof of his car. I'm not really sure. I guess he didn't have a dash cam because they couldn't prove it. I guess that would have solved everyone's case, right? If he had a dash cam. And I don't know, maybe the guy was attacking him. I'm not sure. But assistant, I guess they wouldn't know because the guy's dead. So, I don't know. I guess they wouldn't know, right? I guess there's no really way to know unless there's security cameras, security footage. But it's in Oklahoma. I don't know Oklahoma, but I know there are a lot of areas in Oklahoma that are very, you know, not very concentrated with people. Could have been in the middle of nowhere with no nearby security cameras. Police allege that Abad ran over Shadrick with his car, which he operated as Uber, after Shadrick got out following a physical attack in the car near 71st Street and Sheridan Road. Others said preliminary hearing testimony established that Shadrick assaulted Abad while intoxicated and forcibly took Abad's cell phone during the fight. Police have said Shadrick's back was turned when he was struck from behind. So that's the issue, is that his back was turned. So I guess if your back is turned to somebody, then you can't really be posing a death threat, I guess. This is a very interesting case. I mean, honestly, if it's a fight, yeah, this is just so weird. This is weird. I mean, maybe the guy was on top of his hood trying to break in. I don't know. Yeah, it's just a lot of questions here. But they think he's innocent, and I guess the whole Saudi Arabia government. So anyways, this is the story, but the big update as of 9 minutes ago is that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, they did send $500,000 to the Tulsa County Sheriff's Officer received a $500,000 cashier's check. So cash, you know, a cashier's check is basically cash. It's like a money order. From the Saudi Arabian consulate in Houston, Texas to bond out a man accused of murder. Yeah, this is it, but it's crazy, guys. This is the story. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on if he gets out. I don't know the whole, like, I guess if he's on bail, like if he's on bail, can he actually flee? Like, how would he get to Saudi Arabia if they actually think he would? I don't know. This is a crazy case though. I wish he had a dash cam, because this is why it's really important to have a dash cam too. That would have solved the whole case in a second, to prove him innocent or guilty. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you are an Uber driver, Lyft driver, and you want that paid time off or sick leave, by the way, the paid time off, you don't need to pay that money back. That's just cash for you. Sign up for Covert down below using my link. You'll get your first 30 days for free. Thank you for watching so much, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.